Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you all of my 3D printed things. So first off we have a 3D printed egg. Yeah, it's just that empty inside. But there is a dragon that goes with the egg. It's right here. This dragon, it's missing a arm or leg because it's just very small and fragile, but yeah, so that's that. Then we have a alligator, a little 3D printed alligator, and a little 3D printed elephant right here. Next up, we have a red dragon and orange one. This one's really cool. Next up, we have a blue dragon. It's really cool, one of my favorite ones. And this was my first one that I actually got. Next we have, this is my newest one. I actually got this one just today. I got a 3D printed frog. Don't mind the other ones back there. Actually, I'm gonna put the other ones back that I already showed back here. So we have a frog. It's blue and green. This one is definitely one of my favorites now because it just looks so cool. But got this today, so yeah. Its eyes are really cool. This is my only one in my collection that has eyes like this, so yeah. Next, this is the second last one. We have this is one of my favorites. It's a T-Rex, a skeleton T-Rex. Yeah, and it can stand up on its own like this, with its mouth open, like this. So yeah, it's pretty cool, and yeah, one of my favorites. And this one is like also one of my favorites, and it's the final one. It's very long, and it's a rainbow 3D printed dragon that is huge. Just look at its head, huge. Huge dragon. So yeah, that's my whole 3D printed dragon collection. If you like it, and if you like them, subscribe and like. Bye.